Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into something that's been creating a lot of buzz in the crypto world. Pi Network. Now I know what you're thinking, another coin, another hype. But stick with me because Pi is shaping up to be more than just another token. Let's rewind a bit. Remember when Bitcoin started at just $0.008? Fast forward to 2025 and it's now over $100,000. Incredible, right? Pi launched at $2, which is a pretty solid start if you ask me. So what makes Pi special? First off, it's built on a mobile-first mining approach using the Stellar Consensus Protocol. This means it's more eco-friendly than those energy-draining proof-of-work systems. All you need is a smartphone and some trusted contacts and you're good to go. The Open Mainnet launched on February 20th, 2025, and it's already listed on OKX. There's even speculation about a potential Binance listing. Imagine the price when that happens. Pi's community is growing at a crazy rate. 5% weekly. That's 1 million new addresses in just the last month. Analysts are buzzing about its unique approach and massive potential. Some even predict it could hit $3.93 by the end of March. That's huge. But it's not all smooth sailing. Delays in KYC verification are frustrating users, and there are questions about its practical utility. To build long-term confidence, Pi needs to tackle these challenges head-on. Now let's talk vision. Pi Network is all about community, innovation, and financial freedom. We're not just mining a digital currency, we're building an ecosystem where every member plays a crucial role. Imagine a future where Pi is a widely accepted currency, making transactions seamless across borders. So what can you do? Keep mining, stay engaged, and spread the word. The future of Pi is in our hands. Use my invitation code Aston Martin Vulcan for a higher mining speed and 1 free Pi. Let's rally together and make Pi Network a beacon of hope and prosperity. The journey ahead is filled with promise and we're just getting started. Let's make history together as pioneers of a new financial era. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Catch you next time.